Alright, so we're looking at a LiftMaster model 98022. I want to get into a little more detail on this. I don't have a whole lot of time to do this, but I do want to make a video on it. This one's currently just doesn't have that cover on it. It's right here. Just the info, April 2024. So, I mean, they changed this to say powered by MyQ. That's all they really did for that. Oh, by the way, they're no longer powder coating this shaft anymore. Anyways, so it's all the same stuff in here, except this one doesn't require a cable tension monitor. It comes with the same eyes, same ball control. And it does come with the lock and the light and all that. So let's run this one for you. And I'll run it down. So there is supposedly some kind of internal cable tension monitor in these things, but I don't really think there is. I think they just changed it to run at a slower speed to try to keep it from throwing cables. The only way to get a cable tension monitor in it is to actually hook one up here. And then I guess we can hook up this battery back up here and show you how it runs in battery mode. Shut this cover right in here. Doesn't even really have a soft start. Just instantly ramps up speed. Does at least slow down. Again, just instantly ramps up speed, so that could dump the cables potentially. Yeah, so anyway, yeah, that's really about it. So see you guys later.